How to view private videos on YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Bastard, and today I'll guide you on how you can view or share private videos on YouTube. Now first thing what you need to know is, since private videos don't appear on a channel homepage, now the person will need to use the specific link to the private video. So YouTube will send them an email with the link once you have invited them, but also you can send it yourself. Basically how you can send it, right? Now if you know you won't be able to view the private video, but here is how you can share. If someone shares their private video link, then you'll be able to watch it. For that you'll have to change the settings as well. Simply open up YouTube, head into your channel. I'll just head into my profile here real quick, and then what you want to do is you want to tap on the view channel option, and once you tap on view channel you want to tap on manage videos option, and you'll be able to see all your videos. Right now you can see I have a couple of videos, and you can see my first video is public, but the second one is there, the link option is there, so others are private. I'll just show you how you can share it. Suppose you have a private video here, you want to tap on three dots option, and you want to tap on share video, and once you tap on share it asks you to change visibility and share. To share your video visibility must be changed to unlisted. So basically this won't make your video public, so you don't have to worry about it. You have to set it to unlisted. Once you do so, it'll set your video to unlisted, and you can now copy the link, or you can create the post, or if you just want to share it through the chat, you can use your chat. I'll just use Telegram, and then you can send it through the chat here. Select the particular chat and then tap on send, and now they can access the video through this link. So this way you can view private videos. If someone shares you there's link from this way, you'll be able to view the private videos as well. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.